Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to deactivate your TikTok account. Let's get started. So here we are, and what we're gonna do first is simply go into our TikTok app, and by the way, this would work for either iOS or Android, so the process will be the same. And what we're gonna do is go here into the top right corner of our screen, and the three horizontal bars, you wanna tap on that. And from here, you wanna go into settings and privacy. And from here, you wanna go into account. And now go to deactivation or delete account. Just like this one. Let's just wait for it to load, and from here you want to go and select deactivate account. And from here you want to tap on the deactivate button at the bottom. If you want to read this, then it's your time to read it. And now let's go and tap the deactivate button right there, and we need to enter our password. After you have entered your password, you want to tap on the deactivate account button, and then this will be popped up right here after you have pressed that button. And lastly, you just need to tap on this button right here. It says deactivate, and after that, you're all good.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.